बजे रहते बोले यार, वो 9:30 हो रहे यार, वो क्या है। कौन यार वो?
सही नहीं करी यार क्वालिटी।
कॉलेज की ट्रिप बोल के देखो फॉर्म फिल करा रहे, देखो फॉर्म फिल करा रहे। देखिए ये है हमारा कॉलेज,
एडमिशन
ले लिया। अब गनीमत हमारे बोलने वाले कोई भी नहीं थे ना, तो 10 रुपये में कर रहे पेन दे रहे, ये वगैरह पेन लाए यार, तो पेन देख सबकी जगह मेरा लिख दो इब्राहिम भाई, लिख दो। लिखना अलग पेन से, फॉर्म फिल कर रहे हैं भाई यहाँ पे पूरे जने। और इब्राहिम भाई क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप कॉलेज वालों के लिए? क्यों भाई ऐसा? देखो और थोड़े लोग आते जा रहे, फॉर्मा फिल करो, फॉर्मा ले लेके आ रहे पूरे जने। रेहान क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप कॉलेज वालों के लिए? कुछ दो शब्द
ये देख के बोल ले सकते हैं।
क्या देख के भाई?
ये फॉर्म के बारे में, ये कहीं भी भरा रहे। देखो भाई दो शब्द
भाई बोलो भाई बोलो यार, सबमिट कर देंगे। चलो
कहाँ है मेरा फॉर्म? तुम्हारे पास है?
अच्छा देखेंगे।
क्या बोले?
पर्ची यार, वो
कच्ची बोले डाल लेंगे ये भाई। अब क्या से वही सही है भाई? हाँ नहीं भाई वीडियो इनोवा ले दो।
उनकी बची को दे वाले तो क्या हुआ?
इज्जत ही नहीं है। देख ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू
क्या बोले? दियो यार रिव्यू दियो।
से जाएंगे बोल के अभी तक रुका दिए। देखिए ये कॉलेज का ये सीन है। क्या दानिश भाई?
वो तो बात सही है। देखो भाई
बंद करिए।
देखो तक
बैंक में चाबी
नहीं
रख के कहीं को बात करें। दूर से ले बाबा, दूर से भी ले
लो यार, चाय भी तुम्हारे दे रहा हूँ। देखो वीडियो में प्रूफ है मैं कहने। इतना देर वेट कर करके निकल।
बैग में भर लो जी, कैंप पे सुने
क्या बोले?
चिप्सा भी ले लो, जॉब जल्दी जा रहे भाई, दुकान बाजू की है
भाई। कुछ शब्द बोलिए, पैदल चल रहे हैं आप, बस वहाँ पे कहीं को रखेगा
वहाँ है भाई हमारे कॉलेज वाले। कॉलेज की बस नहीं है
जी। आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं? बस वहाँ पे इतनी दूर रख दिया, कुछ नहीं बोलना। हाँ सलमान भाई, सलमान
आपकी तरह हम भी
सुनो कितने में बिके? कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे आप?
नहीं वो करके छोड़ दिया बिके बराबर भाई।
दूरी ले रहा जा रही थी।
दो बस आना है यार, दो है भाई। देखो ये हमारी बस है अरे ट्रिप को। चलो भाई वंडरला की बस है यार ये। देखो वंडरला, आई लव वंडरला के थे। अरे यार छोटी, अरे पहले पब्लिक आके बढ़ गई। ओफो सलमान को भूख लग रही है सर? नहीं रहने दो बागा रहने दो। डेस्टिनेशन
सील बनना है.
गेट नंबर 1. बैठो. गलती से दूसरी जगह आ गए भैया हम ना बग्गी में बैठ के. अब हमारे कॉलेज वाला ऐसे रहते तो वो चीज़ हो जाए. उसका नहीं होते रहते सीना सीरियस नको लियो. क्या है ज़रा इग्नोर मार दो. ज़रा लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब क्या है देख लो ज़रा. लाइन में खड़े हुए देखो भाई आईडी कार्ड लेने. हमारे को तो मिल गई आईडी कार्ड. देखो नाम लिखा दिख रहा. मेरे को तो मिल गई भाई. ये कितनी लाइन दिख रही है.
एक मिनट पकड़ दो जूता सही करो. बाहर नहीं आना.
अंदर आ गए भाई. पूरा अपकमिंग फ्यूचर है ब्रो यहाँ पे. क्या है ना को समझो. इंजीनियर जो है ना उन लोग में समझ नहीं आता. हमारे मैम नहीं मिल रहे यार. वो ना उनको ढूंढ रहे. देखो देखिए कहाँ गए उन्होंने.
Gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Atiq Ahmed Faruqi, who is looking after the portfolio and the industry programs for Siemens. Sir, we are proud to have you here with us, and we also have.
ये देखो भाई अंदर का है लंच एरिया. पब्लिक तो माशाल्लाह है भाई. और यहाँ पे टाटा के नए कार जो है नहीं ईवी वो है. इसका से नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. देख लिया ना ऑलरेडी.
जी बोलिए जरा ये सामने. कराची में अपनों में ये तो बना है.
So yourself?
Ramu, sir.
Yes?
Ramu.
Ramu.
Self is Ramu.
Okay, can you please explain me about your private?
Printed parts. These are all 3D printed parts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are this type of machine. HPM.
Okay.
Nylon printed.
अच्छा. Okay.
Grade 1 nylon. Okay. These are functionality is there. If you give cat file after I print it, it will give parts. Like this type parts. Any file is I will print it.
5 days.
5 days timeline is there.
For one piece. Okay. So from where we can buy the printers and all? From where we get these printers? Customer service. Does you have any website or what? Website is there. Okay. So what are the charges for the printer?
Printer
Yes, sir. 4 CR. Okay. We can even whatever we can print it, right?
Yes.
In a large amount or in a big size we need it, we can
Split it.
split it. Okay. Fine.
So what we do is we provide data security and data privacy to the companies. As per their requirements, we give them a solution. We have 73 plus startups working under us, and our main motive is cyber awareness. So we also conduct different kind of events. So
Latest we have upcoming is the Cyber Diksha. That is a 7 days specialized training which actually is much more than 8K which we are giving to for outside anyone who can take us on Miracle. And during this event we are giving it 2K by using that special code.
And this is a team.
Huh?
Very.
This event, no, this session. This is a virtual session. You can, in the comfort of your bed, you can attend it.
This is the only company manufacturing LEDs in India. It is LED semiconductor company
Yes.
since last 35 years. Quality Photonics Private Limited and Lead Chip Indus Private Limited. And recently we have also added a new product called Ray Pure, RAYPURE. It's one lighting that disinfects. So it hopes in your presence of people you have no other method of disinfecting.
Yes.
If somebody, your visitor comes and he is breathing out flu or virus, there is no way you can protect yourself. Whereas this light will give you lighting, at the same time remove all the virus and bacteria.
Whatever the bacteria will be there, it can
Absolutely. And it has been tested on coronavirus also at CCMB.
Yes.
And you can see that in 15 minutes 40% is down, and in 60 minutes 90% is down.
Yes.
So there is no other radiation available, no UVA, no UVB, no UVC. Tested at MS University Baroda.
Yeah.
This is a very famous skin clinic. They have used, the dermatologists have used it for 6 months and they found no adverse effect on their skin. And this is tested in Australia. So similarly, there are many other certificates available. ICMR has recommended it. And main thing is in the operation theatres,
Yes.
you use a UV light in the morning and evening because you can't use in the presence of surgeon and patient.
Yes.
Similarly, once in a week they do fumigation, and it's so toxic that doctors are afraid to go into that same room for one day, full one day.
Yeah.
Whereas once you have this kind of lights in the operation theatre,
Easily doctors can.
it will keep the whole bacterial level down.
Yeah.
The surgeon is very, very scared when he is doing his surgery. If there is infection, his surgery is failed. So he cleans the wound area 100 times with his antiseptics. Then he cleans his, sterilizes his instruments so many times. So all the time he's scared. So whereas this light will completely remove that kind of tension from the
Virus light. Is it an India-based company or
Yeah, this is an India-based company which has come out of Indian Substance Bangalore, from BRC and from CEL, and they also DIPP recognized startup. I'm Vijay Kumar Gupta, MD, and then the gold medalist from Indian Substance Bangalore.
Right.
And this so happens that this light is required in the ICUs also.
Okay.
People who go to hospital, they come back, 8% of them come back with a new disease, MRS and superbugs. So there is no way in which ICU can be cleaned real time. Because you can't put UV there, you can't put any chemical diffuser.
Yeah.
Whereas this light, Ray Pure, will be the big solution for that, and it will completely change the picture for hospital-acquired infections.
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
is a WHO-related very serious problem which has been identified.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We are in Hyderabad.
थैंक यू सर। ये कंपनी देखो भाई, गेम्स बनाते हैं गेम्स।
Kalyani Gongi is the founder of Ancient Living, and we are into personal care like hair care and skin care. And in skin care we have handmade soaps, face packs, face washes. In hair care we have hair colors. All are like we are using certified ingredients to make all products. And apart from that we have one more brand, Enchant Dice, which is related to games. And it is like we have all traditional board games at the same time strategical and logical games also available. And we are completely into eco-friendly. And just you can see the games like all are like related to one strategy. Something every game behind there is a logic and strategy, some kind of fun also. And moreover nowadays all are addicted to screens, right? And mobile. So at least this kind of games will try to overcome, and which improves family bonding also. And apart from that, which improve their cognitive skills too.
So from where we can get this all this
We
game?
are available in online, on offline stores also available. We have store at Nanagram Kuda, the district building level 2. Apart from that, we are into available in online also, www.enchanttoys.in one website, and other one is www.ancientliving.in. There you can find out products. Apart from that, we are available in Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere.
Okay. So what's your phone number if someone wants to order from?
9949755488. That is for Enchant Toys. 9676553535. That is for Ancient Living.
Thank you, sir.
And we are available in Insta also. Please follow our Insta page. You will get more updates.
What's your Insta ID, sir?
Ancient Living is Ancient Living, and for Enchant Toys, Enchant Toys.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yourself, sir? Start, sir. What's
Myself, Srinivas Potapalli from AS Automation and Engineering Services. I am the founder and managing director of AS Automation. So we do complete end-to-end industrial automation, projects, services, supplies, everything. And we are also into control panel manufacturing, electrical control panel manufacturing. We are an ABB authorized channel partner. We take the ABB product and integrate complete as a system. As a channel partner, we do as a entire integration from the ABB product, and then we give as a entire solution to the customer. Like local product, local partner. That is the concept. We do complete integration with ABB. We are also do instrumentation jobs where we do lot of level, flow, temperature, pressure, all the instrumentation products as a project, as a services, installation, commissioning, everything we do as a turnkey basis.
Yeah. If someone wants to get from you, how can they connect from you?
They can connect on our website www.asautomation.in and info@asautomation.in is our mail ID. So they can reach out to info mail ID or through our website. And our office number is 7732071000. They can reach out on mobile and WhatsApp also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
कनेक्शन देना पड़ता और आरओ प्यूरिफाइड वाटर का कनेक्शन देना पड़ता। जब आप बॉटल में फ्लेवर फिल करके डिज़ाइन बॉटल में फ्लेवर फिल करके रखेंगे, मिक्स करके आपको रेडी ड्रिंक आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे।
Everything will be automatic, ना sir?
नहीं सर, मैनुअली
Manual है।
फ्लेवर डिज़ाइन फ्लेवर 20 ml 15 ml फ्लेवर टू फ्लेवर अलग अलग रहता है।
सर एक सेकंड। This is the process for fitting the solar bottles.
इन दोनों बॉटल में आपको डिज़ाइड ml ऑफ फ्लेवर वॉल्यूम करके रखना पड़ेगा।
Okay.
प्लेस करने के बाद फ्लेवर के साथ साथ वो आपको CO2 कंप्रेस एयर कितना लगेगा, कितना लेआउट की ज़रूरत है, कितना पावर चाहिए आपको, कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, सब कुछ टिल आपके प्रोडक्ट की डेवलपमेंट।
Sir, what's your phone number if someone wants to reach you by calling you?
You can reach us on 928113820. My name is Nazir.
Okay.
I am into sales and marketing for Soda Hub and Sunrise.
Okay. Thank you.
So we talked about one email and 50 emails and studies have estimated that regular email contains 4 grams of carbon dioxide and 50 grams of carbon dioxide. Whenever we attach something, that includes things like we pass on images, right? We have the image, attachment or image to a WhatsApp message or an email. This makes sense?
सब जने एक